Hello, what up, guys? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Famous Nelson. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to connect your dynamic microphone and your headsets to your mobile phone without using an audio interface or a sound card. And after connecting it, we're going to test it using BandLab Mobile. So please, in case you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next content. So let's dive in. You can actually use any dynamic microphone for this connection, but I'll be using the Shure SM58 dynamic microphone. It's a very popular and affordable dynamic microphone. You can get it from any online musical store in your country. So when buying it, it comes with this connecting cable that enables you to connect it to your audio interface or sound card. But we won't be needing this cable because it comes with a 6.35 meters jack that makes it impossible to penetrate our phone's earpiece port. In order to connect it, you need an XLR cable with 3.5 meters jack like this one you're seeing right here. It's an XLR cable with 3.5 meters jack. So if you look at both of them carefully, you'll see the differences. One of them is thicker and longer than the other one. To connect your headset and your mic to your phone, you need what is called the audio splitter, and this is what it looks like. It has two icons, one of them for the microphone and one of them for the headset. So now let's connect it to our phone. So let's start by connecting the audio splitter to our phone, and then let's connect the dynamic mic to our XLR cable. Once you've connected the XLR cable to your microphone, the next step is to connect the microphone to the audio splitter, and make sure you look carefully and connect it to the one where you see the microphone icon on it. The next step is to connect our earpiece or headset to this other port. So for those of you that are buying big headset like this one, make sure your headset comes with this small jack like this one. And if you don't have money to buy big headset, you can use an earpiece, but make sure your earpiece is one that does not have a microphone here. So now let's connect our earpiece to the audio splitter. Now it's time to record some vocals. I'll be using an app called BandLab, but you can also use apps like FL Studio Mobile, Cubase 3, Studio Evolution, or even N-Tracks. Before we record, I want you guys to know that dynamic microphones don't use phantom powers. You just have to plug in and it will power itself. All you got to do is to turn it on with this switch here. So you can switch it to the up. That means it's turned on. Then you can take it back. That makes it turn off. So take note of that. As you can see, I already have my instrumentals here. So now let's record some vocals. I click on the record. So now you can see it's recording. Yeah. Say, I'm testing. Well, yeah, I'm testing. Yeah, I'm testing. Testing the mic here, I'm testing. Bro, I'm testing. Yeah, I'm testing. So now let's hear what it sounds like. So now you can see it's famous recording. On the beat. Yeah. Say, I'm testing. Well, yeah, I'm testing. Yeah, I'm testing. Testing the mic, yeah, I'm testing. Bro, I'm testing. Yeah.